Okay, so when you log into Membean for the first time, what you need to do is calibrate your account. And it's pretty easy. You click calibrate first. Now you got to spend the whole 15 minutes doing it. You can't stop. What it needs is it needs 15 minutes to figure out what words do you need to start working on. What words are within your zone of proximal development, just at the right level of challenge for you. So you click calibrate first. And then you start going. You want headphones in for this. It says calibration takes anywhere from 1 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to do it real quick, and then I'll resume the video after I'm done. So it just says, so when you do this, I'll show you an example. It says, do you know the meaning of the word hapful? And what I really try to do was be really careful to say, like, do I know what hapful means? Do I have an idea of what that word means? And in this case, I don't know if I could, like, if someone's like, what does hapful mean? I might know it, like, kind of in context, but I don't think I know it. So do I know the meaning of it? No, I don't know the meaning of it. Do I know the meaning of vital? Okay, yeah, I do. Vital means, like, really important. So yes, I know the meaning of this. Do I know the meaning? And so just go back and be honest, because if you're not honest, it's not going to give you the right words, and it'll either be too hard or too easy. And the goal is, if you're going to do this anyways, because the whole thing with this, you're going to end up doing 10, 15-minute sessions on Membean, and you got to do it either way. So the time has to be spent either way. If you do the calibration as best as you possibly can, that time will be valuable to you. And if you don't, it'll be kind of a waste of your time, but you got to do it anyway. So just do it as best you can, make it valuable to you. I'm going to pause this real quick, finish it, and then I'll show you what I mean when I'm done. Hey, I want to show you an example of a word that just came up. And so, for example, for me, I'm going through this, and I'm like, I'm on almost my last one. It says, like, do you know the meaning of the word affable? So, in my head, I have kind of like a gut reaction. Like, man, I think, like, affable means, like, easygoing. I think. But the question is, do you know the meaning of it? Like, do you know it? Is it your word? And so the question I kind of asked myself was, like, if I was writing, like, would I write that word? Would I be like, oh, man, I'm feeling pretty affable today? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm saying that I have like poisonous diarrhea also. Like, I don't know. I don't actually know what affable means, like 1,000%. So do I want to learn it? Yeah. Like, I want to know this word. Like, I want to know for sure. If I tell Membean, yes, I know it, they're not going to try to teach it to me. And then for the rest of my life, I'm going to live in like this weird, like, affable purgatory, like an easy laid back purgatory, where I don't necessarily know the definition of the word affable. So when in doubt, say you don't know it. I know, and it kind of, when I do it and I click no, it like stings my pride a little bit. I'm like, oh, I don't know affable. Like, well, I kind of do, but I don't know it. So be honest with Membean when you do this, is all I'm saying. I'm going to go finish up this thing, and I'll be back like immediately for you, because like you're time traveling watching this video. So after you finish the calibration thing, it's going to show you like what a typical page looks like for like when you learn a word. I would maybe take a second and like look this over and just kind of see what those different parts are, because the idea is like the site is meant to help you learn, and so the more you know about using the site, the faster you're going to learn and the more benefit it's going to be to you. So take a minute and look this over. And this is me being finished. I click next, and then one step at a time, they're going to explain how they do things. You're going to see every word many times. Don't spend too much time learning each word. You don't have to learn everything. Shown in the word page. Choose what you like. The idea behind vocabulary instruction is that you gain knowledge over time. People don't learn vocab words by like reading a list over and over again and then eventually like, pow, I know the word forever in the rest of my life. The way you learn vocab words is slowly and over time. So know that going in, that Membean has the right idea in vocab instruction, which is like, we're going to teach you and expose you to the word in as many different ways as possible and really try to make it your word. You're going to go for sessions. You can stop your session at any point, but when you go on terms of Canvas requirements, you need to complete 15-minute increments for your sessions. And they'll tell you the 15 minutes, so they're very clear about that. So you can click I'm done. In this case, I'm going to click I'm done to show you back at the dashboard. And it's going to take, I guess I have to say, let's begin. And then here I'll hit
Love
I'm
it.
done now. And then it takes me back to my dashboard. And what you can do is just take a screen capture showing me that you're done with the calibration thing. And that would mean that the thing changed from let's calibrate to start learning. So go there, type snipping tool, and just take a little screen capture that includes your name And then all you got to do is hit Control C, and then go back to that vocab tracking sheet, and right here it says Evidence of Calibrating Membean. Click there and hit Control V, and it'll just paste the image in. That shows me that you're done calibrating. And then hit share, and then share that link with me on Canvas, and then I'll pass you along for this step. Okay, go on.